Darjeeling, Sikkim, and welcome to Darjeeling, which is our destination. हम अब यहाँ से जाएंगे Darjeeling. So we are at the check post now. We've just checked into this room. It's so beautiful. Let me show you the property. So this is the room. First you have, okay, so this is the bed and this is how it is. It's like a very different thing. It's a ये जो room है, it's got two, two levels to it. You have a fireplace, so beautiful, like पहली बार I'm seeing it in real life. And this is the view from the room. ये है view. This is the bed. Hi guys and welcome to Darjeeling. तो हम आए हैं Darjeeling for a short 3-day trip और इस ट्रिप में I'll be taking you along with me. Of course सारी चीज़ें information रहेगी, जितना हो सके prices रहेंगे etc. And it's just a 3-day trip. तो हमको यहाँ पे आके literally 1 या 2 दिन हो गए हैं and we are enjoying the place. ये बहुत ठंड है, कीप इट इन माइंड. यहाँ पे 12-13 डिग्रीज रहता है. दिस इज़ इन मार्च, टुवर्ड्स द मिड टू एंड मार्च. तो आप उस हिसाब से कपड़े लेके आइएगा. लाइक इट्स गोना बी रियली रियली कोल्ड. एंड इफ़ यू हैव चिल्ड्रन, इफ़ यू हैव एल्डरली पीपल, ऑलवेज ब्रिंग योर मेडिसिन्स. सो दार्जिलिंग इज़ इन वेस्ट बंगाल एंड इट इज़ द मोस्ट पॉपुलर डेस्टिनेशन फॉर वेस्ट बंगाल टूरिस्ट. तो आपको यहाँ पे लिटरली रूम्स मिलेंगे फ्रॉम 500 rupees per day से लेके it just doesn't end. It goes up 20,000-30,000 and like up as per your whatever your budget may be. And conveyance भी है, taxis मिलेंगे आपको. All the hotels will do like they have their own shuttles, they have their taxis, they will arrange things for you. आप अपना खुद भी कर सकते हैं. रास्ते में taxis काफ़ी हद तक available है. And don't forget to go to MG Road. There's a lot of fun happening there. तो अभी मैं जा रही हूँ. I'll go and I'll just give you a little overview of the hotel which I'm living in. ये है Cedar Inn. It is based on the highest point of Darjeeling because मुझे like मैं 2-3 दिन ही हूँ. So I want to see the mountains and अगर हो सके तो I'm desperate to see the Kanchenjunga. Let's go. Let me give you a little mini tour of the outside. फिर मैं आपको room tour भी दे दूँगी. So guys, one of the most beautiful things about Darjeeling is it's like a British heritage kind of a site, or you can say a place. So यहाँ पे a lot of the properties are having like a very strong colonial influence. As you can see behind me, it is got literally, आप देख सकते हो, it is there are lots of properties even more beautiful, if that's like even possible, even more beautiful. And you need to book ahead because ये बहुत packed रहता है. Season में March में it is going to be so packed you will not even get rooms. So make sure when you come to plan ahead and plan accordingly. नहीं तो हमारी तरह नहीं हो, कभी टॉय ट्रेन नहीं मिल रही है, कभी कुछ नहीं मिल रहा है, कभी कुछ. And if you can I would really advise you कि अगर आप हो सके to stay in a heritage property. You are going to really love that. Okay guys, where we are right now is the Mall Road of Darjeeling. हम यहाँ पे आए हैं and I cannot tell you मेरे आगे एक space है empty, but it is so crowded. Also, there are no hotels with lifts over here. So be prepared to climb 5 floors, 6 floors, pedal. Okay guys, how you order here is you just select whatever you want and make your own tray out of this. So you're supposed to take your tongs from here, collect your order from there like that. And then they have these really, really nice stuff. Like it's highly congested out here. And let me just give you a overview of the stuff they have here. Overall, this place, Glenny, is quite nice. Okay guys, so this place has got, you have to place your order and we took all these things. There's like 3 of us, so don't think I'm akele khaungi. And I think I got a little bit of a nicer table with some sort of view. Like when you come to the hills, it's all about the view. So this is what we have ordered. I just showed it to you. And how you're going to eat it is just take one in your plate, give it to somebody. Of course, a little bit of hot tea. Somebody's trying to open the bottle. Alright, तो ये सब खत्म करते करते it was 10:30 at night. The streets are getting deserted because ठंड बहुत है. So we reached the hotel. Of course, we were not in the mood for dinner because इतना कुछ खा लिया था. We just had some peanut chaat or something, and that was it for tonight. See you tomorrow, guys. This is our first day in Darjeeling. इतनी beautiful property है. This is the Sigaring property, and the weather is so bad, so bad. तो let's see आज क्या करते हैं. Guys, this is Sigaring. This is the place where I'll be staying. It's not exactly heritage because it's just 25 years पुराना है, but it is one of the most beautiful properties. और यहाँ से आपको कंचनजंगा directly आपके रूम से दिखेगा. Super beautiful property. From Darjeeling to Meerut और इस वक्त हम हैं somewhere close to the Nepal border and can you just see how beautiful it is. अच्छा weather जो है काफ़ी erratic रहता है यहाँ पे. So आज है 10 degrees and it is super cold. बारिश भी आ रही है but I am so loving it. So you should know one thing, आप खरीद सकते हैं. They are bringing stuff from China on the border for just the local people. So this is why a lot of fashion is also very prevalent in these areas. So just take a look at this. I can't get over this. Okay guys, so this side is Nepal. This side is Nepal. ये है नेपाल.
रोड के उस तरफ.
And beyond the road is Nepal और इस तरफ है इंडिया.
The long one is different. This is different.
Look at these Chinese moolies.
Chinese moolies. One bag.
One for the person who brings them here.
Look at the color.
That's what exactly I'm saying. Have you ever seen such red moolies in your life?
चाइनीज मूली है ये. इसको ब्रेक करते करते चाइना
Dining table you decorate it.
It would be.
make a
It would
salad.
look at these red moolies. नहीं. So after that little stop, हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. And रास्ते में you'll find a lot of tea estates. We are going to stop at one. लेकिन unfortunately हम tea estate के अंदर नहीं जा पाएंगे because of the weather and it's also raining. So we're going to stop for a coffee and of course check out the beautiful local pottery they have over here. I'm going to buy some for sure. No, I wanted to have one more coffee, so we're just thinking should I have it or not. Asha, how much is it? 820. I want 20 rupees. Yeah. Guys, look at these such pretty teapots. These are all cups, soup bowls. ये जो है, I am at on the way to Mirik. Such nice stuff. Okay, guys, so we are in Mirik town right now. So the journey to Mirik is way more beautiful than the lake itself, as our learned and very nice driver, Mr. Vinod ji, told us. He is an awesome driver. He speaks fluent English. So if any of you want his number, please let me know in the comments down below. I will share it with you. So Mirik में तो हम ज़्यादा रुके नहीं because it was very dirty due to the weather probably. बहुत सारे puddles थे, गंदगी फैली हुई थी. And from what I hear, a lot of people are skipping Mirik. तो हमने भी ज़्यादा रुकने का मतलब ही नहीं था. We returned to the hotel जहाँ पे we had to also change our room. Guys, here's a quick room tour of my room. So कल हमने room change कर लिया था. We did not like वो बहुत ऊंचा था and there are no lifts here. So one view from here is this. Oh, it's a beautiful city view. Or another window here. I just love it. I mean, like ये जो दार्जिलिंग है, आप like seriously the hotel rooms have the most beautiful kind of decor. ये है washrooms और ये है bedroom. Right across from the bed, ये है another room. I mean another view जहाँ से hopefully अगर if you are lucky you can see the Kanchenjunga, जो कि होगा नहीं because weather is super cloudy. So hoping to see the Kanchenjunga जो अब तक मैंने देखा नहीं है. And also they have a fireplace. बहुत जगह ये operational नहीं होंगे because they don't have a license. It's only in the cold when they get a license to operate it. तो बेड से डायरेक्टली इफ़ यू आर सुपर लकी आपको लेटे कंचनजंगा के दर्शन हो जाएंगे. इफ़ यू आर लाइक really lucky, like what an amazing sight that would be. So they give so much stuff over here. You have the body lotions, shampoos, conditioners, shower caps, cleansing bar, such a nice shaving blade for the men, and sets of dental kits. Alright, so आज is a beautiful sunny day. That's why I am able to just like sit in this t-shirt and you know just make this video. तो हम लोगों का program है to go to a tea estate. It was a program, लेकिन it was so foggy. इतना rainy था उस दिन. I'll definitely take you on that trip. It was so beautiful foggy because I love that foggy weather. लेकिन the other flip side ये है कि you will not get to see the views, you will not get to see the mountains, you may not be able to get down and see the tea estates as well. And if you come here ज़रूर चाय तो खरीदिएगा of course. I don't have to tell you that. And besides that we'll be going to quite a few places listed. लेकिन because of it being peak tourist season and holiday season, I think a lot of the places will be in like you know tickets नहीं मिल रही हैं, bookings नहीं मिल रही हैं. So keep that in mind अगर आप आ रहे हो. So book ahead to avoid disappointment. Guys, this is the next morning. सुबह 5 बजे की व्यू है ये. And like we saw the Kanchenjunga सुबह 5 बजे ये इसके दर्शन हुए. I cannot express, I cannot explain. You know, like you have to be there and see it. Like the mountain range is like I cannot just tell you. I'm running short of words while editing this only. Literally, you know, I'm getting goosebumps. What an amazing view it was. Can you just imagine walking on the street and जब ये they will just like you know loom above you because ये मौसम में ये दिखता नहीं है. Just बहुत ही आपको lucky होना पड़ेगा to see it. guys, the toy train here is super famous, as a lot of you may know, and the tickets are super hard to get. We didn't get a chance, very sadly. So if you're going to come here, just make sure you pre-book because the tickets are very, very difficult to get. We're in this monastery, which is a cafe. Here you get all these noodles. Coffee shop is basically a mountain cafe. ये है like outside. There's a monastery here, and we've just come to this cafe for a quick cup of coffee. अच्छा यहाँ पे museum भी है, which we have gone to. We sadly could not go to the real monastery जो ऊपर है because of my husband's knee injury. लेकिन we just sat for a quick coffee break here, and we learned so much over here. और photography हर जगह prohibited है, so it's not like you can just walk into a monastery or a temple and just photograph anything. So please be mindful and respectful of that.
Ginger, lemon and honey.
What are you having? What are you having?
Ginger, lemon and honey.
Okay, so I'm having this and some noodles.
I love this.
Duck carbonara flavor. ये है ना तिब्बतन, ये वाला कौन सा? किबू इज किबू. डिफरेंट एनर्जी ड्रिंक्स और इंसेंस.
अलग-अलग जगह से ये हो गया.
ये तो नॉर्मल है.
ये नॉर्मल हो गया. ये नेपाल से आया है.
ओ ये नेपाल,
भूटान का है.
ये नेपाल से है, ये भूटान से है.
ये अभी जो अभी
लिया. हाँ,
उन्हें जो अपना फर्स्ट ड्रिंक ये होगा. ठीक है.
And so much incense. I've taken a bunch of incense. Very interesting. Very nice. Very nice. So guys, this is the Japanese pagoda in Darjeeling, and I think ये हमारा literally आज का last stop होगा because देख तो it's very very crowded. It's not only a Sunday, so be aware of the crowd when you come on Sundays. And that's about it from me for now. Enjoy the pagoda. Guys, we are outside Glenaries right now. Up there, it is on the MG Road, and I am telling you, it is so crowded. Then हम गए थे, we were sitting down, which is right there. That is the वो है वहाँ पे आपको bakery stuff मिलेगा. और ऊपर जो है up here, which we plan to go, is going to be a live band, and we're going to get some food, etc. I can't believe there is a waiting, there is a line. So you can see there is literally a line. So if you intend to, Sunday भी है, and like so maybe उस वजह से भी हो सकता है. It is so crowded. वैसे भी MG Road is super crowded. Guys, we finally got in, but it is super crowded. They aren't even cleaning the table. Like I literally have cleaned it my own self. I don't know if it is worth it. Let's see. The food will decide, and it's supposed to be a live band. The live band there. Finally we get someone to clean it for us, so nice. So that's a chicken cutlet. And और order मंगवाऊंगी मैं. This place is like nice but very noisy. So guys, this is the chicken sashlik, and it's not a sashlik, it's just a chicken sister. I'm not really sure I like it. I don't much like non-veg. ये pure non-veg है but I don't know. I really didn't like it because I'm just giving you a heads up. If you're not a big non-veg eater, don't go for this. I think they'll have good veg options. Okay, so what I have ended up ये है माकी दाल और rice. I've ended up eating dal and rice. Sorry for the mess. Okay guys, so it is so packed. Like we got a really sad place in dungeon. You can't hear me. I think I'll do a voiceover. Hi guys, so I think it's time to give you a little bit of information. So यहाँ पे अब we are in Darjeeling right now. From Bagdogra to Darjeeling is roughly about 2 hours, but I will update you on this. So we went first from Bagdogra to Sikkim. That was 7 hours. It was really long. So after a nice halt at Sikkim, we have come here to Darjeeling. So वो गैंगटॉक था. In Sikkim we were staying in Gangtok. Now this is in Darjeeling and fortunately unfortunately it is very very crowded because ये peak season है. So especially I want to give you information about the toy train. If you are coming here, you must book the toy train early because ये आपको मिलने वाली नहीं है otherwise. Like we didn't get it. We tried so hard, लेकिन toy train नहीं मिली. So sad for us. And the tickets start 400 rupees से शुरू होते हैं right up till 1500. So if the agents book it for you, they'll take about 1750 rupees, like a small commission for themselves. तो आप पहले ही book कर लीजिए if you're like keen on it, if you have children or something, if you're very keen. तो I personally was like, लेकिन the heritage ride would be beautiful. तो हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं, अब नहीं मिल रही है. Also the view from anywhere, I want to see the Kanchenjunga. मैं Kanchenjunga कहते हैं यहाँ पे, they call it the Kanchenjunga. So to see the Kanchenjunga is like my life's mission here. मुझे सिक्किम में तो दिखा नहीं है. I'm just trying my level best कि कुछ भी करके, कैसे भी करके मुझे कम से कम Kanchenjunga दिख जाए. It is always foggy. आज is a beautiful day, which is why I am sitting here in the Cedar Inn का जो lawn है. It's a beautiful sunny day. वरना इतना fog है कि you literally can't see. So that is it for Darjeeling, and today we will be going. We've just taken a 3-day trip in Darjeeling, और बाकी सब कुछ जो है मैं आपको बताती जाऊँगी. So ये जो Darjeeling है, it is really high. ये तो गैंगटॉक से भी ऊंचा है. This is at a height of 6,500 feet above sea level. तो ये बहुत ऊंचा है. Literally आप clouds के अंदर तैर रहे होंगे.